On to Lake Havasu we go. Hello, so today we are leaving Las Vegas to go to Lake Havasu. Lake Havasu is about 2.5 hours from Vegas. It is a beautiful city in the border of Arizona and California, and I just want to show it to you because the lake there is spectacular. Not sure what we're going to do in Lake Havasu yet, but we're just going to roll with the flow. Checking the lights, flashing. On to Lake Havasu we go. You're good. Still good. Still good. Just that tree. Still good. Keep going. You're good. Just keep turning like that. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And you're on the street. Cabins here too. These get booked really fast. Okay, this is the campground. It's very clean looking and the space are very far from each other, so that's really nice. Okay, this is a back-end site. This is where you make or break your relationship. Okay, here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Can you see me at all from the camera?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, let me get close.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I see you.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Kind of angle to your left, the back to the left, if you can.
Like that?
Yep, like that. Keep going like that to get on the concrete. Just keep angle like that. Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. Just keep going like that. Just go straight like that. Straight, 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 straight. Keep going. Keep going. You're 5 feet.
Right?
Yep, 5 feet away from this concrete thingy. Keep going. Keep going.
Am I lined up right?
Yeah, you're lined up right. Keep going. And I think you're good right there.
Okay. How are the connections
You're good.
lining up?
Connection, very good. Yeah.
Should I go back more so I put the tire against the? I'll put the tire against the.
No, because there's this wood thing
Concrete.
in the back right here, so you don't want to go too far.
How far are the tires from that concrete barrier? That concrete?
6 feet.
Can I go like this?
Yes. If you go back, it's not going to be level. I think that's good. So they have this picnic table right here. The campsite is really big, so it's really, really nice. We have this grill. I will use it. Okay, we made it to Havasu. It's beautiful here. This campground is really nice for a state campground. Ugh. It's currently 80 degrees right now because it rained today. So it's kind of nice weather here. This right here, for those of you that are new to this channel, this is our power. We have 50 amp and 30 amp. And before we hook up everything, we just need to shut it off. Good. There we go. Okay, this is the surge box, surge protector. This is the chalk that my husband likes to use. So this is another good protection if you don't have a lock on your Airstream. There we go. This thing is really difficult to put in. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we could hook up the Airstream. Oh, it's raining again. Dang it. Hey, don't put this on the ground. Check. Okay, now we're gonna go turn on the power. Turn this on. That is blue. So now we have power. There you go. What are you doing? Here is a water meter, so we know like how much water we use. Not that it's really important, but we kind of like to know just in case we're boondocking. That is the water filter. I don't recommend drinking water even if you have this filter. And this is my husband's system that he has for the water. Okay. And we're gonna run off of city water, meaning it just goes straight from there onto our Airstream, so it doesn't go through the tank. And now we should have water. Oh, you have to turn that thing on. Then we will have water. Now we have water. Oh my. Now we have water. Look at that running. There's another Airstream over there. Cool. So those spot right there is actually the premium spot right next to the water. Okay. This is the best I can do to get all the wires off of the ground because it might rain on us and we're kind of in gravel, dirt situation. I don't want it all to be dirty. So this is pretty much our standard hookup right here. We have power and water and internet. Look, it's finding the satellite right now. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. That's really a bummer. It's still not released yet. Sometimes you have to wiggle this, reversing the truck or moving it up to kind of release it from the bottom. Now we're separate from the Airstream and we're just gonna lower it down to kind of level it. That looks pretty level to me. I kind of was eyeballing it. I think you might have to raise the front actually, I don't know. We paid about $53 with tax for this campsite per night. It's a state park or state owned. Doesn't matter what sites you get, it's just $53 per night if you book online. There are two ways to book it, online or you call in, and it's pretty easy to do it. And it's probably one of the nicest parks that I've ever been at a state park, and it has power. It doesn't have sewage, but there is a dump station, so that's really cool. Oh, look at all the salsa. Get all of this. Okay, so we basically come here for the meat that's already marinated. No, it's not. Dang thing. There we go. Not really sure how this will taste like, but we will see. Ooh. It's the meat that we bought. There we go. Smells good. It's gonna taste good, hopefully. We're eating Mexican with chopsticks. This is really nice. This is what I imagine Airstream life to be once we get all the kinks worked out. Currently raining right now, so we chose a bad weekend to come here. This right here is the London Bridge. So now we are in California and we're going into this place right here to look at the London Bridge. So you could actually walk this place. They have that little patio right there. So over on the other side is Arizona. We are in the California side. And that is the London Bridge right here. This bridge is actually from London and they brought it over here in 1971, I believe. So that's really cool and very expensive. But look at that, it's so pretty.
Help you stabilize?
Indeed, it does. Chilly. That's the restaurant we were just at. Okay, now we're driving back to Arizona. So now we are in Arizona. This is the Rotary Beach area park. That's the day beach area. Pretty with picnic tables. You can see the restaurant over there and the London Bridge right there. So that yacht right there is actually a casino. It is pretty. And the sunset. This right here is the boat ramp for the state park. They have two in here and it's very wide. Look how your watch matches the sewage. So we are going to park out here for the night. This is Dispersed Camping. Thank you for watching. Until next time.